A very good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday and we date today 13th January 2021. What is the weather like today? Today is foggy day. Today is foggy day and it's your English period. Okay, let's start our day with ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, class, do you know which letter we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn a new letter. And which letter is this? Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Y says ya. Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Y says ya. What is the phonic sound of Y? Y says ya. Okay, dear class, I'm having something for you. It's a magic basket and I'm having some pictures in it. And you have to recognize those pictures. Okay, class, tell me, what is this? What is this? This is a yacht. This is a yacht. This is a yacht. Capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Y ya yacht. Y ya yacht. Okay, and tell me, what is this? What is this? This is a yo-yo. This is a yo-yo. Y says ya. Ya yo-yo. Ya yo-yo. Okay, and tell me, what is this? This is york. This is york. Ya york. Ya york. Okay, and tell me, what is this? This is a shirt and its color is yellow. And its color is yellow. Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Ya yellow. Ya yo-yo. Ya yacht. Ya york. Okay, class, open your reader and look at your reader. Which letter is this? Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Ya yo-yo. Ya yak. Ya yogurt. Ya yarn. Again, capital Y and small y. Y says ya. Ya yo-yo. Ya yak. Ya yogurt. Ya yarn. Okay, playgroup, let's come to the activity. For this activity, we need a paint and a brush. Okay, class, we will make letter Y with the help of paint and brush, like this. And now we will write small y. Like this. Okay, class, playgroup, must try this activity at your home. Okay, playgroup class, open your notebook. Today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. And tell me which letter is this? This is capital Y and this one is small y. Y says yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Okay, let's start our work. Put your pens on the starting point. Firstly, makes a slanting line down to the middle. Like this. Firstly, make a slanting line down to the middle and then go to the top again and makes a slanting line down to the middle. Between the meeting point of the slanting line makes another slanting line like this. This is capital Y. This is capital Y. And now we will write small y. Start from the middle, makes a straight line and then makes a slight curve. Go back to the middle and then makes a straight line and then makes a slight curve upward like this. Okay, again for making the letter Y, firstly makes a slanting line down to the middle, go back to the top and makes a slanting line down to the left between the meeting of the slanting line and makes another slanting line like this. This is capital Y. And now we will write small y. Start from the middle, makes a straight line and then makes a slightly curve upwards. Go back to the middle and makes a straight line downwards and then makes a slightly curve like this. Capital Y and small y. Y says yeah. Okay class, playgroup and do practice capital Y on your workbook. Look at your workbooks. Makes a start from the top, makes a slanting line down to the right, go back to the top and makes a slanting line down to the left. Between the meeting point of the slanting line makes another slanting line like this. Okay class, playgroup, complete letter Y on your workbook and also on your notebook and do coloring in these objects and send me your feedback. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.